For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. John 3, verse 16. Hey, y'all. So this is the old batch that I just made. It is pretty much the remainings of the powders, oils, and all of that. So the first thing that I'm going to add is some dried hibiscus leaves directly from Jamaica. And I like to pour just a good handful into that pot. I already have some in there from the last batch. I always use the last batch to continue on with making the oils. The longer it sits, the better it is for your hair. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I have some lavender buds that I got off of Amazon. Everything will be linked down below. I do add just about a handful of that as well. It smells so good. They are dried lavender buds, and this is super good for your hair. Really good for hair growth, and it helps to make it smell delicious. Now I'm adding some henna powder. This is really good for your hair. All of this can be researched. All it takes is a simple Google search, and you'll see how all of these ingredients are super beneficial for healthy, strong hair growth. So my last batch of that henna powder finished, so I went ahead and added some more from a new pack that I had. So that's what I'm doing here. I do not remember how much I added of each item, so I will link everything down below. Now I'm adding some fenugreek powder, y'all. This is honestly one of the best ingredients that you can put in your hair, y'all. If you can just find something fenugreek to put in your hair, y'all, fenugreek powder work miracles, y'all. So this is something that I add a lot of into the batch, but I really love fenugreek. That's probably one of my favorite ingredients in this product, but honestly everything is my favorite. Now I'm adding Amla powder, y'all. All of this is things that Indian people use to get, Indians, Africans, they use this to get long, healthy hair growth. So all of this is through extensive research that I've been doing for years to create the best oil ever. Now everybody knows aloe vera is great for your hair. I use the aloe vera powder. I'm going in with some grapeseed oil. This is also really good for your hair. Like I said, everything is just a simple Google research, and you'll see how great these products are for your hair. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below because I do not remember, guys, how much I add of everything. But now I'm going in with some olive oil. I have so much oil in this house, y'all. So I'm going in with some olive oil. And then the last oil that I'm going in with, that's also olive oil there too, y'all. The other batch finished. I went ahead and opened a new bottle. And then the last oil that I'm going to go in with is some avocado oil. Y'all know avocado is really good for your hair. This is probably one of my favorite oils that I'm adding in here. Avocado oil is so freaking good for your hair. Look how dirty I am, y'all. Like, I really get down and dirty to get this oil ready for y'all. Like, look at me, y'all. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going in with some castor oil, y'all. So I use the Jamaican and Lime brand, but I use different versions. So one of the versions that I use is the one that contains vitamin A, D, and E, all really good for your hair. Vitamin E is so good for your hair. I use the peppermint kind, and I also use this Argan Oil. So y'all, this oil, when I tell y'all, it's filled with all types of oils and powders and flowers, natural flowers. All of this is natural ingredients that come from the earth to create just one perfect oil that I love to call the Snatched oil. It's located on my website. Everything will be linked down below. It is very affordable. If you guys buy all of these ingredients to make this oil, y'all, it will be like so much money. So That's why, you know, it's probably the best advantage to just get a bottle, try it out for yourself, and then maybe in the future you can make some of your own. But this is definitely a great investment into your hair. So some of the oils that I just added were the peppermint oil that I told you guys about. Now I'm going in with some essential oils like lavender, tea tree, eucalyptus, and so much more, guys. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. Everything that I put in here, y'all, I literally memorized it. But I just want to make sure I put the proper directions down in the description for y'all, so that'll be there once y'all see this video. So now that I got everything in here, y'all, we gonna give it a mix with a big old spoon, y'all. I literally use all of these products just for my oil, y'all see me, I be getting down up in there, y'all. Like, don't play with me, like, don't play with my brand, okay? So once I give it a nice mix, I'm gonna go ahead and shake. Do y'all see that, y'all? Imagine putting that in y'all hair. Y'all hair would be so icky and sticky and gooey. But I got y'all. I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm gonna show you guys how the oil separates and how I just bring it all together for you guys. So now I have some warm water, guys. You want to make sure the water is warm, not boiling hot, not too hot, literally just some warm water, so that the oil can kind of just mix together and infuse. Once you're done, you're gonna just set it in a closet, y'all, and just let it sit for how long you want, y'all. For me, I let it sit and marinate for 72 hours, y'all, and this is exactly what you want it to look like. The oils have separated, and now it's time for you to drain that, y'all. I use a cheesecloth to drain that, to make sure that none of those flowers and powders get in the actual oil. So now, as you can see with my bottles, I'm just putting my logo on each and every bottle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it to a new drainage, and then I'm gonna drain them into the bottle. Lastly, y'all, I add fresh hibiscus into the actual bottle so that it can look really pretty, and then I go ahead and bottle each and every bottle with love and care. And this is what it looks like at the end, guys. Super pretty, super effective, guys, and just so good for your hair. As you can see, the hibiscus looks so freaking pretty in that bottle, y'all, and it just gives it more room to just, you know, marinate into the oil. And it's just like I said, the longer it sits, the better it just is for your hair. And this is the Snatched oil that I've created for long, healthy hair growth under your wigs, under whatever protective style you choose to put, or your natural hair. So that is the oil. I just want to show you guys how I apply it to my hair. Look at my hair, guys. It has grown so much, and I'm still on the journey to longer, healthier hair, guys. And I just love my hair. It's just like naturally jet black and super pretty. I just freaking love it, y'all. Like, look at me. I'm showing you guys some of this length, y'all see it. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it all throughout my scalp, y'all. I really focus on the scalp because that is where the new growth is starting. Of course, I do apply it all throughout the hair on the ends, but I do place a focus on the scalp. So I just take it and I literally just apply it directly on the scalp, and I massage it. And y'all, it feels so good. That peppermint, y'all, everything, it just feels so good. I forgot to spray my hair with a little bit of water just to moisturize it. And then I went ahead and just placed that oil all throughout my hair in sections. Just like that, y'all, until I felt like my head was completely just moisturized and filled with the oil. I apply this twice a day, every single day, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys like my healthy hair growth journey. As I go on this journey, you guys will see how my hair has grown so freaking much. I will place a before and after in this video right after I finish apply it to my hair, so you guys can just see, like, this ain't for fake, y'all. This is that real stuff. So once I apply it how I want, I went ahead and just did some really big twists all throughout my hair so I can have like a really pretty twist out in the morning. I love twisting my hair because it's like the easiest thing to do, and it's just like it's just super easy. And now once it's done, I am ready for bed to seem nice and comfortable. Hair is moisturized, hair is clean, honey. Y'all see that length though? Like, I'm super cute, like. So y'all, I have my Snatched bonnet. I'm gonna put that on and I'm ready for bed, guys. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye. Purchase yours today, link in the description.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us.